Do you know how many metric tons of abandoned Empire ships and buildings were left on Endor? It has destroyed the natural aesthetic of this beautiful forest moon. So a few makers and I have decided to start a non-profit to help return Endor to its natural state. So we need your help in the deconstruction of speeder bikes, chicken walkers, and all kinds of weapon systems. Getting rid of the scrap armor plating was easy, but we are literally left with a ton of hardware. We don't know what to do with it. Do we smelt it down into arrowheads for our friendly Ewoks? Do we store them? Or do we just dump them at Watto's junkyard? Well, for now, we found an affordable way to store them until we decide what to finally do with them. The local Dollar Depot offered these little containers for a very affordable price. This is where you can help. For just one Republic credit, you can provide one of these containers so that we can get this Empire filth off of this peaceful moon. If you volunteered to come out and help, the Ewoks offer a wonderful feast each and every day. I just ask, be really polite and don't be the closest human to the fire pit. I know these things, they're hideous. I think they'll need some Star Warsification. Let me walk you through the process. We first dismantle all the Empire equipment, but this leaves us with all the hardware all over the place. So using a few chicken walker speakers from the intercom systems allows you to easily pull the hardware up out of the dirt and trash. After we give the containers a respectable paint job, we store the hardware in them for safekeeping. This prevents toxic metals from leaching into the soil. I hope to see you out here soon, and remember to bring plenty of Republic credits.